Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about C programming language. My name is Hashir Khan. I am doing second year of engineering in CSC Cyber Security from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Introduction. The programming language C was developed in early 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratory. It was named C because many of the features were derived from earlier language called B. C is one of the most popular programming language and is being used on several different software platforms. Guys, now let us see the uses of C programming language. System programming, the portability, efficiency, and the ability to access specific hardware addresses and low runtime demand on system resources make it a good choice for implementing operating systems and embedded system applications. Compiler, libraries, and interpreters of other programming languages are written in C. C is used as an intermediate language for implementation of other languages or compilers like BitC, GameBit, and Vala, etc. C is widely used to implement end-user applications. Guys, now let us see the structure of C program. C program composed of a preprocessor command, a global declaration section, and one or more functions. Preprocessor directive contains a special instruction to prepare the program for compilation. The most commonly used one is include. A C program contains one or more function, a group of C statements written in a logical sequence that are executed together to perform a specific task. The main function is most important function and a part of C program and a part of every C program. Execution begins at this function. All functions are divided into two parts, declaration section and statement section. Declaration section describes the data that will be used in function. Data declared within a function are known as locals. Statement section contains the code that manipulates the data to perform a specific task. Guys, now let us see how to write a C program. Hashtag include braces stdio.h. All preprocessor commands start with the symbol hash. The hash include statement tells the compiler to include the standard input or output library or header file in the program. The file has some inbuilt function for input and output data. Int main. Int main function is starting point of the program. Int is the return value of main function. Two curly brackets are used to group all statements of main functions which forms the function body, a set of instructions to perform the given task. Guys, now let us see print function in writing a C program. The print function is defined as standard input-output header file and used to print the text on the screen. The message to be displayed is enclosed within double quotes and put inside the bracket. Zero return. This return command that is used to return the value 0 to the operating system to give an indication that there were no error during the execution of program. A file used in a C program. A file in a C program is source file, header file, object file, and executable file. Source code file contains the source code of the program that defines the main function and maybe other functions. The file extension of C source code file is C. The main function is a starting point of execution when you successfully compile and run the program. A C program generally may include even other source code files, header files. When working with large projects, it often desirable to make subroutines and store them in different files known as header files. The advantages of header files can be realized when A. To use the same subroutine in different programs. B. To change or add subroutines and have those changes be reflected in all other programs. Ends with a H extension and its name can use only letters, digits, dash and underscores. Standard header files are available in C. The programmer may also create own user-defined header files. Guys, now let us see the standard header file. String.h, string handling function. stdlib.h, some library function. stdio.h, standardized input output function. mac.h, mathematical functions. All oc.h, dynamic memory allocation. Conio.h, clearing the screen and character input. Object files. Object files are generated by compiler as a result of processing the source code file. The object file contains compact binary code of the function definitions. Linkers uses this object file to produce a executable file by compiling of the object file together. Object file have a O extension, although some operating system, including Windows and Mac docs, have a OBJ extension of the object file. Binary executable file. The binary executable file is generated by linker. The linker links the various object files to produce a binary files that can be directly executed. On Windows operating system, executable file have exe extension. Guys, now let us see compiling and executing of C program. Every programming language has its own compiler. The compilation process is done in two steps. First step, the preprocessor program reads the source file as a text and produces another text file as output. The output of the processor is a text file which does not contain any preprocessor statement, is processed by the compiler and produce an object file. The linker combines the object files with library routines to produce a final executable file. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please